with doing, genotyping at birth and DNA calf registration, as we call it, I suppose one benefit that is a tool called the commercial beef value. So this is a value that is placed on all, I suppose, dairy males, dairy beef calves, and even things like commercial males and females on the suckler side. And I suppose what it is really is you're trying to ascertain the genetic merit of these animals in a slaughter context. So that basically if you go into a market or into a farmer's yard to buy maybe dairy beef calves, or maybe you're buying some Frisian bull calves, some dairy males, and there's a pen of 20 of them there, they're all 2 to 3 weeks of age, they all look quite similar, they're in similar condition, nice shine on them, etc. And you're trying to figure out, well, which of these will leave me the most profit when I go to slaughter them. And I suppose that's what the CBV is about. That it's analysing these animals' genetic merit in the context of slaughtering them in the future. So you could go into a pen of calves, there could be 20 of them there, for example, Frisian males. They all look quite similar, but actually when you look at the genetics, there could be big variation in terms of the carcass merit, so carcass conformation, carcass weight of what these animals potentially can do. It's the same on the dairy beef side. It's very difficult if you go into a pen of Angus calves or Hereford calves, and they're all looking quite similar, and you're trying to figure out which ones are the best ones for me to buy that when I finish them will leave me the most money. And that's what the CBV is about. It's about identifying out of that group which ones are the best, to make sure that the price you're paying for those calves is really based on the potential of what they can leave you afterwards. And I suppose from a dairy farmer's own point of view, when he's breeding cows, maybe beef semen, and he's picking bulls, farmers who are picking bulls of high genetic merit for things like carcass weight, so of a good beef value, they will be rewarded in terms of the CBV those calves get, because they'll be using bulls that are of a better merit in the context of beef on their cows, which in the result hopefully will leave calves that will be more profitable for a farmer finishing them in the future.